Hey, what's going on, everybody? 2007 Toyota Camry here. Just curious, you ever wondered where the automatic transmission shifter manual override is? In a lot of cars, there's like a button here. There's a button somewhere where somebody, like, if this is broken, you have to switch to neutral in order to like tow the car or even move it. You press on the brake, it can't. Where is it? It's not here, it's not here, it's always around. Oh, wait. What's this thing? Now, it tells you to use a flat blade screwdriver, but if you take the key out of your key fob by pressing the push button here, it comes out of the back. Very carefully. You don't want to jam it in because you'll ruin the circumference of this. Very carefully. Of course, there's keys and what. So let's see here. Put it in. I have the lever this way, and see, it took me a couple of tries before the video. And of course, it's not going to do it for the video, and I'm also mucking up the there we go. If you really had to get it done, don't lose it. Just a piece of plastic. There's nothing relevant to it. There's it is. There's the button. You're supposed to push this down with your finger, and then it comes into neutral if the car's not running. Toyota Camry, everybody. In case you were wondering where it is, that's where it is. And in order to put it back, just make sure it goes right down, goes in. It's a little knackered, but hopefully I never need it. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.